Hello everyone, how are you today? And today I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok on your Android phone and how to create new account for TikTok. But first, you can go to the Play Store and you search for apps and games, and you can type TikTok. And you can find TikTok at the top of the screen. This, and after that you can pick install. Application recommendation will be displayed below the searches and related to your search. There is Snack Video, Bigo, Snapchat, Jinga, Coco for India, etc. And wait for seconds. TikTok installing. There is TikTok Lite, wallpaper, TikTok seller. Have installed it, and you can open it TikTok, or you can go to home and you will find TikTok icon on the screen, and you can pick it by tapping agree. Then you agree. You have to agree and continue. How do you identify? You can pick according to you. Next, gaming, sign, education, daily life, and next, swipe up, stop watching. But this is no. You can swipe for more videos. There is more videos.
Oke, karena kemarin banyak banget ya.
And for the first, you can create a new account, sign up for TikTok, create a profile, follow other accounts, make your own video, and more. You can pick 3 choices here. I will try continue with Google or continue with Facebook. If you have Facebook account, sign in on your phone, you can connect it to direct to TikTok, or you can continue with your Google account, sign in on your phone. I will try continue with Google. I will sign continue with Facebook. Continuous Putu is my name. You can pick birthday. Yes, according to your birthday. Next, and you will create new username. You can pick the new username with your code or numbers. Make the unique username, and after that pick sign up. Your friends on TikTok. This is suggest friend on TikTok, and now you have a new account on TikTok. It's very easy to install and make new account TikTok, and after that you can view and watching
Orang pertama
from the
ini dia bagusnya tuh sehari
recommendation video according to your categories you pick before you create account. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.